Insurance will not protect you from most lawsuits that will happen regarding the transaction of your buying and selling of real estate. Every time you're entering into a contract, every time you actually sell a piece of property, every time you're leasing a property to a tenant, these are all things that insurance doesn't cover. The only thing that's going to save you and your hard-earned dollars is an asset protection strategy. That is the proper LLC and company structure.
If you think attorneys are overpriced, I'm with you. That's why I shoot these videos. I have the Royal Legal Solutions blog, the REI Nerds podcast, and I'm featured as a guest on the best and leading real estate investment podcasts in the country. Whatever you need to know, I have the answers for you, and I can help you get where you want to go.